Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, we are going to build and understand a simple sign up, login and dashboard using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is a perfect mini project for being who are learning web development. Let's go to the program. This is the simple sign up program. Let's start by looking at HTML structure. Doc type HTML. This is come from HTML file. HTML lang is equal to en. This defines the doc type, document type and language. Here we set the characters encoding and making sure pages is responsive on all devices. This is the title that shows up the browser tab. We are linking an external CSS file called page.css for styling. Now comes the JavaScript part from the handling the submission. This function prevents the page from the refreshing when the form is submitted. We get the value from the both password field. This checks if the two password matches. If they do not, it shows an alert. If everything is good, we show a success message and redirect the users to dashboard.html page. Inside the body, we have a container of the form. This heading introduces the sign up section. We call our handle form submit function when we form submitted. Same of mail password and confirm password files. All make it required so the user cannot leave the empty. This is the submit button. And finally, we add a link. User already have an account. This is the styling. In styling, this is the resets the default spacing and making sizing errors of the control. We set a clean font and center everything on the screen and give the background a soft color. This is the box that holds the form. Its center has pending rounded corner and a light shadow for the depth. We arrange for the elements vertically with the spacing between them. We style all inputs to look clean and concise and highlights them the focused. This gives our submit button a modern blue look with a hover effect. We make a link matches the theme and understand the hover for better UX. Dashboard container. This is a ready-made style if we navigate to the dashboard after sign up. This is the sign up dashboard program. Here we can create the language and dashboard title. User dashboard. Welcome to the dashboard. If you have sign up, it gives the message you have successfully signed up. It was linked with page.html. Next go to the login. This is the login program. It defines our document as HTML and set the language English. These meta tags make sure that page works well on all screen size and devices. This sets the page title and links to an external CSS file called login.css. For styling, we start by preventing the form for reloading the page when submitted. We get the input value from the username and password files. This is a basic thing. If both files are failed, we show a success alert. Store username in local store and redirect to the dashboard page. Otherwise, we show the error. This is the body. In body, this body login from the inside the style container. This file accepts the user or mail. This file hides the password inputs. This is the login button. This are helps links one to sign up and one of the password recovery button. Both point page.html, which you can change later. This is the styling for login file. In this, we can start removing all default spacing and making sure white and height behave consent, box sizing, border box. This enters everything, verifies and horizontally sets the clean font and adds the soft blue background. This creates white login box with the pending rounded cover and a light shadow of the background. It's same as sign up page. This stacks from the elements vertically with the spacing between them. Input have a clean design and get highlighted when clicked. This is the submitted button. Submitted button is blurred and turn darker blue when hover. This is the version. Slightly update the background color and spacing the responsive. And this is the dashboard for login. Here, check if the username stored in the local storage. If not, is directed to the login page. If yes, it dynamically injects the usernames into the heading. We reuse the login container styles for consistency. This h1 shows welcome user. After JavaScript runs, a logout button calls the logout function. This removes the stored user and sends the back to the login page. I will show the output for sign up and login. This is the output for sign up. Enter your name and mail and password. Sign up. Click on the OK. This is the dashboard for your sign up page. You want to log out, click on the logout and log in here. This is the output for login page. Enter your mail and password. Login. Click on the OK. This is the output for dashboard in login. You want to log out, click on the logout. Thank you for watching.